So how to enable a live caption for any YouTube video? So that's from beginning. Open YouTube and open any video. For example, I am opening this video. So once you open, then press on volume up or volume down, then go to three dotted line, then you can see this option. So just enable this option, and once you enable, then you can see the caption is available. So that's it. This is how you can easily change. And if you want to change the color, you can also do it from here. For example, if you want to change like that, then it will be shown like that again. Play the video. You can see it's showing. Thank you. Have a good day.